Good morning again mga kamama. Today is Sunday. Pupunta tayo sa Square Room Facility Gym. Pakilagay mo nga muna doon. Naiwan ni mama yan sa ano. Thank you. Itong ating kabebe ay maglalaro ng basketball. Bali mag-aaral siya. In-enroll siya ng papa niya ng basketball. Bali ang 1 month na bayad ng kapapa natin ay 320 320 isang buwan yun, kasama na lahat yung mga membership. Marunong na naman po siya mag-basketball. Yun nga lang, syempre kailangan natin ng professional talaga magtuturo. Yan o. Ating kabebe. Say hi muna, good morning ka mama.
Hello, good morning.
Ayan, ako, masaya na ating kabebe. O sige. So yun, andyan na anak yung sapatos. Hinipo mo ba yung sapatos dyan sa bag mo? Okay. Yung pang basketball. Okay. So ayun, kinonfirm pala nagkapapa yung pong kay kabebe natin ay ano siya, every Sunday, bali 10 session po, every Sunday lang. Bumayad si kapapa natin ng $320. At nasa ng potok natin mga kamama? May baon tayong potok. Ano? Tinapay ng Pilipinas. Ang gumawa ay Bread House sa Edmonton. So yun, punta tayo sa training ng ating kababy. Magti-training siya ng basketball. Weather ngayon ay negative 13. Hindi gaanong kalamigan. Bukas may pasok na tayo mga kamama. Parang hindi tayo nakasakay anak. Wala naman tayong pinuntahan na sasakay tayo ng train. Laki ng pack ng company na to. Pack, ano na to? Ano bang ginagawa dyan? Bakit puro usok? Ha? Fuel? Refinery? Oh, ano? Refinery? Oh, mga oil pala yun. Lalaki ng ano, tangke ng ano, timbakan. Anong nakalagay papa dyan sa mga ganyan? Mga oil. Ang lalaki oh. Asa na kaya yung hinahanap natin?
Take the next left onto 83rd Street Northwest. Then your destination will be on the right.
So yun. We'll be on the right the way.
Ayun.
Ito na? Ito ba yan?
Your destination.
Naku, madami na. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Nakita na. Yun, the square room. Yun. Nag-iis na mga kamama. Ito na, nakita na natin yung square room. Dito na enroll ang ating kapapa. So yun. Mukhang Pilipino. Ang dami na ng tao sa loob. So yun, may naglalaro na. Oh, ganito pala. So yan, oh, nag-aaral sila. Iwan natin yung sapatos. So yun. Aha. Okay. Iwan yung sapatos. Kailangang iwan. Anak! Come here. Ayan, lahat nag-aaral sila lahat. Ay, malalaki na yung iba. Ay, maliliit pala yung iba, oh. Saka yung malalaki. So ayan, marami nag-aaral, maliliit pa sila. Nakashoot siya, nakashoot siya. Kamukha ni Max yun. Ayun yung malaki na naka-blue. Ito. Tapos na sila. Mukhang susunod na si Kabebe natin. First day po ni Kabebe ngayon. First time and first day. So yun, tapos na sila. Ang Kabebe natin ay nagbibihis na. Nagpapalit na ng kanyang short at maglagay siya ng sapatos na pang basketball. Mag-shoes ka na, anak. Naka-shoes na sila, oh. Naka-shoes na yung mga malalaki. Tinataas na yung ring kasi mga U13 nang maglalaro. Isang tingin muna dito, nak. Wow, wow. Yun. Doon, anak, kayo, no? Hindi nag-lotion. So, yan, malalaki na maglalaro. Sana si Kabebe natin. Magti-training siya dito. 10 session ang gagawin niya. Pero kung gusto naming umulit, paulit-ulit lang. Kaso, bayad ka lang ng bayad. Warm up ka na dyan, nak. Malaki siya. So, ayan sila. Mga kasama niya. Malalaki na yung kasama. Ayan, ang lalaki. Ang lalaki ng kasama ng Kabebe natin.
So really quick, as I mentioned, I'm Coach Slav. A little bit of background, I was head coach at Maine for a while. I was assistant coach at U of A, coached at Strathmore High School, the senior boys team, did provincial team stuff and a bunch of other stuff. This is Coach Aaliyah. She is currently with the Harry Anthony Titans junior girls team. She played at Maine as well. She also... Time, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, we're going to play on the...
So yun, enjoy na enjoy ang Kabebe natin sa training niya sa basketball. Kasi yan po ang gustong-gusto niya. Basketball at soccer. Bali yung hockey, play-play niya lang yun. Kaya ito, gusto niya mag-improve ng basketball.
Okay, back to your groups. Coaches will grab your group.
Yan, time out.
Bend my wrists, my fingers with my right hand are pointed towards the ceiling while keeping the ball in my holster. So hey, Jordan, maybe a little lower down. So down here. If it's a little bit above the hip height, that's okay. Just want our wrist bent back. Okay, and bend the ball a little bit lower. Okay. And so watch my right hand. See how my right A good test to see if you have your hand underneath the ball is let go of the ball with your left hand, okay, or your off ball. If you're able to hold the ball comfortably like this, that means you're probably in a good position, okay? So now let's put our left hands or our off ball hands back on the ball like they were before. So this is position 2, okay? Position 3 is this. So we can go from 2 to 3. So watch. I'm going from 2 and I'm going up and up. So my hand, so everybody hold your hand like this. Okay, everybody shoot again and hold your hand up after you shoot it. So go ahead. So our right hand should be, our bicep should be kind of beside our cheek here. Okay, our wrist is, our wrist is bent because we shoot and snap our wrist. And then our left hand should be like this. If you shoot and your left hand, or if you're your right hand, your palm is facing forward, that means you're shooting too much with your other hand. Your other hand is just there. All right. Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's try again. Okay, so we're going, here's what we're going to try to do. We're going to try to do 2, 3. Okay, grab the ball up and shoot. Vera shoots. Okay, drives in. She misses, but she gets her own rebound. Okay, she can score right away. So if you're playing defense and the opposing team makes or misses a shot, you have to take the ball outside the 3-point line by dribbling or passing to a teammate who's outside the 3-point line. Okay? If you do not have the ball, you will not be in the paint at the same time. So let's say Rita and Lily cut to the paint, and they're both inside the paint at the same time. That's not allowed. I blow my whistle. Turnover. If we see someone standing in the lava, turnover. But let's say Rita's in the paint, Lily's outside the 3-point line, that's totally fine.
Yun, pero natapos na ang ating kabebe mag-practice. So ayun mga kamama, tapos na po yung isang first session ng ating kabebe sa training ng basketball niya dito sa Edmonton. Dito siya sa, yan. See? Kita nyo? So yun, balik na naman tayo sa susunod na linggo. Panay po ang ngut-ngut ng ating kapapa kasi ang dami pong pagkakamali ng kabebe natin. Kaya nga po nagtitraining dito para matuto Pauwi na tayo mga kamama. Tapos na po yung first session ng ating kabebe sa basketball. Okay naman po ang naging ano niya, yung unang practice niya. Okay naman siya. Bagaman may mga may nakikita tayong kamalian, pero syempre kaya nga tayo pumasok doon para matuto. Kasi nga favorite niya talaga ang basketball. Kaya andito na tayo sa bakahan. Yun, malayo ang mga baka nasa dulo. Pag tayo nandito na sa bakahan, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Saan yung mga baka? Ayun, ang dami. Malayo, kaya hindi masyadong makita. Pipit. Nakadami na sila ng kain, no? Ang lawak na ng nakain nila. Pero malawak pa rin ang tira. Wala pa sila sa kalahati nang nauubos. Yan, oh. Yung mga pagkain na yan. Mais. Thank you for watching.